Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play NASCAR in Assetto Corsa. First, you will need to download and install mods, as the game does not include NASCAR content by default. Installing a mod pack typically includes the cars, liveries, and oval tracks needed for a NASCAR experience. Step 1. Install Content Manager. Before downloading any mods, it is highly recommended to install Content Manager for Assetto Corsa. This free third-party program replaces the default game launcher and makes installing mods significantly easier by allowing you to simply drag and drop files. Step 2. Download the NASCAR mods. You will need to download mod packs containing the NASCAR vehicles and tracks. Many of these mods are created and shared by the Assetto Corsa community. A recent and comprehensive mod is the NASCAR 2025 mod, which features multiple cars, tracks, and a career mode. Step 3. Install the mods. With Content Manager, simply drag and drop the downloaded mod pack file, typically a zip or RAR archive, into the Content Manager window. The program will automatically install the cars, tracks, and any other file included in the packs. Manual installation. If you're not using Content Manager, you must manually extract the files from the mod pack and place them into the correct folders within your Assetto Corsa installation directory. And finally, step 4. Launch and play. Once the mods are installed, launch Content Manager. Go to the Drive tab to set up a new race. Select one of the new NASCAR car mods from the list. Choose one of the new oval tracks that came with your mod pack, and finally adjust other race settings as desired and start your session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.